Sanibonani Maswatla Mahle. Welcome Etiko. I am your host, Ayanda Hlope, together with my co-host, Simpiwe Msweli from the Ministry of Agriculture under the Home Economics section. Silapha ehlelweni lethu Etiko siphekela ekupholeni garden villas. Siyathi ke Maswatla Mahle phela ukuthi eMaswati ayamlima bhatata. Esikhathini lesiningi uye ukhanze ukuthi ayamudla asigadla, kepha ke labanye bayathengisa. Kepha namuhla sithi asesenikhombe indlela letiningi leningamsebenzisa ngato phela bhatata. Simpiwe nje esikhathini lesiningi emakhaya sikhule sidla bhatata njengoba anjalo, kepha namuhla ngiyathemba ukuthi kunengi losiphathele kona lotosicecesha ngako phela ukuthi bhatata singamsebenzisa kanjani. Njengoba nibona nje kunengi lokulapha etafuleni lethu, sinetinhlobo tetinyama kanye nalokunye phela lokungumbala lesithi kungakujwayeli kahle, kepha ke asesive kabanti ukuthi namuhla sitawupheka ini Etiko.
Ngiyabonga Ayanda. Namuhla sizabe sipheka yona lamb stew yethu with sweet potato wedges. Siphinde sipheke wona phela chips akhe na bhatata. Phinde sibakhombise babukele ekhaya ukuthi ijuice ya bhatata siyenza kanjani. Sele nayo isalad yakhe na bhatata bese sigcina ngejuice.
Cha, ngiyathemba niyeva babukele emakhaya nekuthi phela Simpiwe ngiyabona lapha etafuleni uthi bhatata, kepha ke umbukeli angabona ngani ukuthi uphi lo bhatata lapha ngoba mhlambe sebayabuka ababoni.
Yebo Ayanda, ngiyathi ukuthi phela emakhaya sijwayele kulima ila bhatata lomhlophe noma lo yellow angithi, kepha namuhla sitela nang bhatata lo orange. Sikhuthi tucutela yena kulamalanga ukuthi asidle wona ngoba wona uqukethe vitamin A lomningi kakhulu. Siyadla ukuthi asikamjwayeli, so sithi namhla sesipheke wona sibone ukuthi nawo singawusebenzisa kanjani. Ngoba awukehluki ukuthi sembhatata lohlukile nawo solo nje ngibhatata wona uhluka losona vitamin A lomningi Ayanda.
Uyatholakala ke lo bhatata lona kuwo onke OK Foods akangwani, ngako ke hambani niyawuthenga ingredients enu OK Foods ngemanani lancane nitawathola khona. Sicela nje usitshele ukuthi lapha sinani nekuthi sitawucala sipheke ini bese sesivele siyapheka Etiko.
Okay Ayanda, lesitawuqala ngako sitawuqala ngayo lamb stew yethu with sweet potato wedges bese sesenda nefish yethu eceleni. So lambi kwami ke Ayanda ngiwo bhatata munye lomkhulu lona lo orange sengisusile emacembe ngawuchopha. Funa usina uqada ke lo bhatata lona ogcine usemandini sendela kona phela mbukele ekhaya ukuthi ungabe sesowuluza umbala wawo, uhlale nje umuhle orange kanjena. Uyawuqada ufake emandini uthi ungawuchopha kahle emawethu akho uphinde ubisele uhlale emandini ukhipha nase ufuna ukusebenzisa.
Okay.
Lana sibe naye 350 grams lamb yethu lena sesichophile ready to cook it. Lana sinema spices ethu lesitawasebenzisa kunanzisa kudla kwethu. Sibe nawo sweet peppers ethu to give kudla kwethu a bit of color. Sibe nema peppers ethu lana inhlobo letintathu, yellow, green and red. Sibe na-anyanisi wethu lomkhulu lana lo finely chopped. Sibe naye 150 grams button mushrooms ethu and a spoon of crushed garlic Ayanda.
Okay.
So lawa ma-ingredients lesitawasebenzisa kupheka yona lamb stew yethu with sweet potato wedges. Ngalana Ayanda ngoflour nema-spices ethu nefish necanza lesitawukhombisa bona babukeli ukuthi ifish singayifrya kanjani nje ngendlela lesimple ekhaya.
Lokahle kakhulu ke babukeli ukuthi lama ingredients lawa senivele nawo emakhaya, and if you don't have some of them it's okay, just make sure that you pick what you have and you'll be able to prepare leso stew sakho. And next time when you buy your shopping list utawukhona phela kuplana kahle uhlele ukuthi ufuna kupheka lamb stew yakho with your sweet potato wedges together with your fried fish, usebenzise lokulo sikusebenzisako. Dinenge tindlela tekupheka lesikukhutsatako thina ukuthi asidle phela kudla lokunempilo lokutosinika emaseko lamathathu kuze kuthi phela singatkhanzi sesigula. Simpiwe ngicabanga ukuthi sale uvele ucala upheka usikhombisa kabandi ukuthi impela lesitulo sethu sitawuhamba kanjani.
Sesiyaqala ke Ayanda siyapheka. I'm just going to take my oil ngikavarisha the base yale bhodo.
Okay.
Yeah. Once the base is covered, I'm going to fry my onions. So really
Okay.
Now my spoon of garlic.
Indeed, it's really hot.
It is hot. Ngifake ama-spices ami inside.
Okay.
Together with the herbs. Just fry the onions wami kancane ukuthi uvuthwe ayanda. It's very important ukuthi onions wakho avuthwe uma ngabe umfrya because naso jala enyama angakapheke kahle ukhanza ukuthi naso siphakela sewenda lo mdanda la etulekudeni.
Oh yeah.
And we don't want that. Sifuna ukuthi onions wethu babukeli avuthwe kahle phela naye. Khona naso kuphakela kudla kutawuvuthe kube kuhle. So I'm just going to fry my onions. Then we can add in our lamb. Namhla we chose kupheka lamb and fish just for a change because we says pega a chicken.
Yeah, too much chicken.
So we say let's just cook a lamb which is nice and very tender. And again,
and it's not so expensive. It's quite affordable.
The meat inside.
The aroma, yeah, it's quite good. I can smell all those herbs together with spices there.
Yeah, and the lamb inuka kamnanzi. So I have my lamb inside. I think it's the ayanda just to extract my flavors and the juices from the meat. Embawa logo start with the spaghetti, nasi potato wefu. Lege ngepela mugeli sijake kusheshe simfake lana. Ngoba lona ngikhohle mention ukuthi lona osheshe avuthwe. So ngeke simfake nyalo sawuqale nje sivale inyama ithi kubilabila kancane bese sesithatha yena batata siyamfaka la ngekhathi. Logo sawugcina ngako siyathi ukuthi ama-peppers asheshe avuthwe adinga about 5 minutes etiko. Masento uvuthwa libhudo so sawugcina ngako. Nyalo and I'm just going to close lana. Sibe siqhubeka nefish yethu eceleni. Nalike iqanza mbukeli sesilishayele ekhaya. I also have my mixing bowl here. Lapho ngitawufaka khona my 1 cup of cake flour. Ngicela emphasize ukuthi I am using cake flour, not self-raising flour. Siyamathi self-raising flour kusebenzisa soyakhukumuka, so asifuni ifish yethu sonakalele ibese iba nekhukhumuka, sisebenzisa cake flour always.
Okay.
This is 1 cup ayanda cake flour. This is my 1 spoon of aromat, ne teaspoon ye paprika, ne teaspoon ye Italian herb.
Okay. So can you add more spices? It's up to you what you like.
You can add ayanda kude ngapha siyatinga lokuthi impilo sesiyigcikelela kakhulu. So we try by all means ukuthi go low on the spices. If that's why I chose the aromat nje. But if you don't have aromat, you can also use salt.
Okay.
Nale paprika if ude inginga you can omit it. Ifish yakho itawuvele nje ibe golden brown etibona sewiyipheka.
Okay. Ayike impela kuyahlangana niyabona sekude nje sizathu sekuthi ekhaya ungabaphekeli ifish sesivele siyanikhomba lapha ekhaya ukuthi ifish ungayipheka kanjani.
So ke ayanda with my flour here.
Okay.
And my egg. A sauce. Plate. Lana sosiyabasa. It's important to cover the base. So that our fish cooks kahle.
Luckily it's a non-stick pan, so definitely ngeke kube kukushela.
So what you do, you take your fish, let's say sisokile ku vinegar na garlic, just dip it lana eqanzeni. And I will also help to get her hands messy.
I should get my hands dirty.
So, siyifake lapha, you can use the spoon ayanda. Manje garlic niyambona ukhona fish yethu na vinegar. Just soak the fish yakho la eqanzeni, siyikhothe, Siyikhiphe. If you can see, the garlic is still there. Siyifake lana flour.
Okay.
Very simple and easy.
Nalokuthi nje bamfana bangakusita ekhaya, you can just prepare this as a family. They will really, really enjoy doing such.
I think 4 will be enough for our pan ayanda.
Okay. It's well coated.
Okay.
It has to be well coated.
Yes.
So what if you do not like the egg? Is there another way whereby you can omit the egg?
You can always omit intanza ayanda by grilling your fish. Ekhaya ungayifaki intanza at all. Dining njengoba bosushito ukuthi dining indlela plate uyipheka yona ifish. Ungayistima, uyiboile, uyifrye, uyibake, uyigrille, using a lot of different ways of upheka yona ifish ayanda.
Okay.
So I think our oil seyashisa. Just going to take our fish.
Okay.
Siyifake lamafuthane. It's breaking.
Okay. So you can hear the sizzle of the cooking oil. Just fry it for a few minutes. It'll be sesebagash. I think you can just wash your hands there. I'll join you shortly. Listen to.
While the fish is cooking ayanda, can we check on our lamb?
Okay.
Yes.
I think I also need to wash my
It's too
hands.
bad you are far, but Inyama already has extracted its juices.
Definitely.
And it's cooking very well. So nje ndayitamatisa kancane ngiqhubeke ngivale ithi kupheka kancane before I put in my sweet potato wedges.
Okay. So what's the trick for it to extract all those juices? Because labanya, they reduce the heat. What do you do?
The trick is after frying your onions and frying the meat, you have to reduce the mlilo wakho. Ungabi mkhulu kakhulu, bese suyalivala igodo lakho to allow le nyama yakho ukuthi ikhiphe lamanzi. And lokho kuyakusita kakhulu ukubukela ekhaya ngoba kuyakukalela ukuthi angakanani emanzi lokufuna uwangiphi uma ngabe afanele ukuthi uwangiphi. Kanti na utawuvele nje ufry ujake kufose ukuthele emanzi, utawukwenza ukuthi sishilo sakho sinemanzi amaningi kakhulu kanti la sifune ngoba bese sekuyayona nale flavor yale sishilo sakho ekugcineni.
Okay. Okay.
You can turn it slightly golden brown to make sure that it cooks well.
And it seems like it won't even take a longer time to cook.
No,
lunch.
fish takes 10 minutes is enough for cooking fish. It's one of the nyama that the shesheti wood.
So good excuse ukuthi ungabaphekeli ifish ekhaya. It's quite easy to do, so do try it out kuze kuthi phela bonke mamvu batawujabula ekhaya. So Simpiwe, after this dish kulandzela ini?
After this dish, ayana njengoba phela sipheka ifish yethu ngaba kuhle kakhulu ukuthi kulandzele wona chips akhe batata.
Okay.
Yes. And the fish is very versatile. You can enjoy it from breakfast, break, lunch, afternoon tea, supper. Inyama nje longayidla anytime. Ayichwezi njengabo red meat abafuna vele ukuthi kuze kube lunch or maybe your dinner. Fish you can have it from breakfast or all day round.
Ngiko-ke sikhuthata ukuthi invest in your fish, also invest in your pulses so that you get the most from them. Solo siyawathola ama-sources of protein lapho, so asambeni sidle ama-pulses ethu together with our fish. Cut down on your red meat, and you can also invest in white meat from chicken, so make sure that you eat different kinds of protein dishes.
OK stores have consistently aimed to be the retailer consumers can count on. Make OK Foods your store of choice for a one-stop convenience shopping experience at the best prices. We are committed to provide unwavering service, quality products, and fresh seasoned produce. OK Foods, we're here to make your day OK.
Ekupholeni Garden Villas is an elegantly modernized guest house situated in the heart of Eswatini in Manzini. The guest house provides luxurious and tranquil accommodation that will make you feel you were somewhere special from the moment you walk through the door. This impressive residence offers gracious accommodation, warm hospitality, and exceptional care. If you like swimming and relaxing, it is an ideal place to stay with a private outdoor pool and serene garden. For those that love to stay fit, there's a standardized A-grade gym to keep you in shape. We also feature a full-size pool table for full entertainment. Our restaurant will provide you with good food and a good mood. Ekupholeni Garden Villas is the best alternative to ensure you and your family and friends will enjoy a cultural paradise. Ekupholeni Garden Villas. Come in as a guest, leave as family.
Etiko sesitonendela ema sweet potato fries together with sweet potato fruity kebabs. So lengitocala ngako ke ngiwo ema fries etfu. We've got our raw sweet potato here. Njengoba nibona, these are dry, so just make sure that you peel them first. Naso waphilile phela bese soyafaka emandini akho to avoid it browning. Bese soyawakhipha emandini, uyawaphetha with the clean cloth so that it sucks out all the water. Bese ke sesiyawafaka in our bowl kuze kuthi sitowa fry. My oil is already hot. I'll just reduce heat because I kept it at low heat. So just make sure that your oil is hot. But angashisi kakhulu because you don't want to burn yourself. So already emafutha ayashisa, lesitokwenda phela kuthi sifry batata wethu giwo emafutha ethu. Sesishito phela kuthi this is the orange flesh sweet potato, so you can use it. Iyatholakala in our OK Foods, so make sure that you use it. It's quite sweet compared to the normal sweet potato, the white flesh lesivame kuyisebenzisa siye sithi Kenya white, kepha ke nalona ungamsebenzisa ukahle kakhulu, ungabhaka ngawo, ungenda kutinvo letehlukahlukene ngato. So zama phela kunciphisa izinga lekudla emazambane, sibe versatile in terms of using what we have, which is our sweet potato. Siyathi ukuthi batata simlima kakhulu, ngako ke nasebenzisa batata wethu impela sitawukhona ku-enjoya kudla lokwehlukahlukene. So ngisebenzise about 1 cup of our cooking oil. I've just left this one out. So already my cooking oil is hot. All you have to do is just to dip your sweet potato in your pan. Kukuwe ke kuthi uthela kanganani, ungaqala nje bamfu labasekhaya bese ke so frya ema chips akho. Nyalo ke sesitowenda our fruity kebabs. So these are the fruits that I shall use. I have a cup full of my sweet potato. This is the yellow flesh or orange flesh sweet potato. About a cup of strawberries cut into half. 1.5 cups of our pineapples chopped, and also plums. This is about a cupful of your plums. I'll start with my sweet potato. There you have it, just push it down. You can follow with your pineapple, and then you can add your plum. It's quite easy to make. And another sweet potato, and then you can just include your strawberries. And there, I'll just use this and line it here. So just follow the same way. But uniformity is good because you want your food to look good, to be appealing always. And this is quite refreshing. Siyathi phela ukuthi sesivele singede our sweet potato, so it's up to you. If you've got many fruits, you can add as many as you can. And what we'll do is just to drizzle some of our sauce. Okay, this one is falling apart, but just reposition it, ngathuki. Just try it many times. It might seem messy, but definitely it's worth it. Siyati phela kuthi kuba sekitchen utikhanze upheka does relieve stress, does relieve depression. So make sure that you involve yourself in the kitchen so that you just lead a healthy lifestyle. Utojabula nje nawe ekhaya usahledi. So there you have it. Whether you're having friends over for lunch or dinner, you can just give them this. It'll be quite nice, refreshing for them. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so khumbulani ke ukuthi I parboiled this so that it doesn't really just become hard now faka kule skewer sakho, because siyaphila ukuthi i-vegetable yakho noma sithelo sakho nasicine kakhulu bese asisakhona phela ukuthi sifake ke lana. Ema chips cishe seka ready, so soon ngidawakhipha. There you have it. So depending on the number of people that you have at home, you can just have more and more of these. Let me just finish up these. So nyalo sesingawakhipha, sekavuthiwe, athambile, sekathi koma nekoma. So kukuwe ukuthi uwathanza kanjani. Just make sure that it doesn't break. So you can just put them on your paper towel. Just make sure that you remove much of the oil here before putting it into your paper towel. And then you can add more and more and more until you are done frying them. Esikhathini lesiningi ke siyesibone ukuthi nawudla ema potato chips akho enjoy with a bit of your chip spice together with your salt and vinegar. But even with sweet potatoes, you can still enjoy them with salt and vinegar if you like, or you can just add cinnamon because these are quite sweet. So I'll just add more and finish up with my chips. Let me just add them all. And then just cook them. And then I will just serve them on the plate and later show you how they look when we have garnished them. So kukahle kakhulu ke ukuthi sidle kudla lokwehlukahlukene lokusebenzisa yena phela bhatata njengoba sishilo ukuthi bhatata siyamlima futhi if une surplus soyamthengisa and bhatata sothalakala throughout the year. So make sure ukuthi phela nawe uyamudla ekhaya udla tinhlobonhlobo letehlukene kuze ukuthi utawukhona kumenjoya. Uyabhaka ngaye ungayenda i-dessert just using your sweet potato kunengi longakwenda kakhulu. Ngiko phela sikhona kuze ukuthi sinikhombe ukuthi konke kudla ungakusebenzisa kanjani. It's all about utilization. It's all about healthy eating and just practicing different kinds of cooking methods so that you get the best. We're avoiding the fact that you should just go buy food. We're making sure that you are cooking at home, you're eating at home, eating something that's healthy, info khona kuyicontroller, because now lana uyati ukuthi usebenzise maphi emafutha, are they fresh, are they clean, nekuthi usebenzisela nganani kanti nawo ungaphandle awati ukuthi basebenzise ini. So here you have much more control of what you eat and how you prepare it. Etiko sesivele siniphekele kudla lokumnanzi njengoba kunibona nje ku-colorful, it's all orange. So Simphiwe, please just take us through what we prepared today.
Ngiyabonga Ayanda, lana sinayo i-1 pot meal yethu lekungeyo phela lamb with sweet potato wedges. Lana sibe nayo i-sweet potato salad yethu with vegetables to make it more nutritious and nice. Lana sinawo sweet potato kebabs ethu together with fruits just for snacking phela. Lana we have our fried fish, lesi fry le Ayanda, that goes together with our sweet potato chips.
Thank you so much, Simphiwe, and thanks to the viewers for always catching this show every Sunday. Qhubekani nibukele babukele kuze kuthi niphela ntofunza kupheka kabanti kudla lokuhlukwahlukene. Simphiwe, any last words?
Yebo Ayanda, Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli njengoba anda asashito. Siyathemba phela ukuthi nitawuqhubeka nikupheke lokho kudla lokhu ekhaya, nizame tonke indlela. Sithembe futhi ukuthi sina ayanda sitawubuya phela sitonifundisa dona letinye tindlela tekusebenzisa bhatata. Sisengakazi nje anda zabaphekela sisebenzisa bhatata. So sitawubuya sitobhaka. Babone ukuthi nangabhatata kuyabhakwa awugcine nje ngalokhu kuphela. Siyabonga kakhulu nibe nekubukela lokuhle ehlelweni lendlela landzelako.